Jericho sent me their giant beanbag chair, so let's check it out. So the beanbag chair comes extremely condensed in this shrink wrap and some bubble wrap, and I also have to wait about 72 hours until this gets to its original shape. So let me cut everything open, and I do want to be careful to not accidentally prick the sofa. All right, got the bubble wrap out of the way, and now it's just in this shrink wrap. So I think this right here is the base because I see it's black, so let me flip it to the correct orientation, and I'll just find a random point right here just to cut it open, and this should start expanding pretty quickly, so let me make sure I have enough space. Oh, there's actually one more layer of plastic under all this, and just so you get an idea of how condensed, how compact this really is right now, it's gonna be about 17 inches by about 14 inches by about 16 inches. And let's see how much that changes in the next 72 hours. All right, so here's a good spot to open it from. All right, so here it is. And now I'll just let it do its thing, and I'll come back in some hours and let you know what it's like. And just so you know the time, right now it is Monday the 24th, 2:24 p.m. And let's see how this changes over time. So it's been nearly 24 hours. It's the 25th, and here's what the beanbag chair looks like. My cat had already took territory of it, so he's just taking a nap there. And then here's what the back looks like. So this looks pretty much set, but either way, I'm gonna give it 2 more days for the full 72 hours and then come back tomorrow and see how this is. All right, so it's day 2, it's the 26th, and my cat once again went on top of there. And the beanbag chair looks just as big as yesterday, but I'll just give it 1 more day for the full 72 hours. All right, so it's the 27th. It's been a full 72 hours since I opened this, and here's what the beanbag chair looks like. So now let me just bring it into the other room and check it out. Right, check it out. Here's the beanbag chair, and this is the exact table I had it on before. And as you can see, this grew tremendously. So it's a lot bigger, and it takes up a lot of space in my room now. And this is what I'm talking about. This thing is massive, and as far as size goes, it's gonna be about 44 inches from edge to edge, and then about 37 inches, and then height-wise to the seating here, it's about 17. Then all the way to the back, this is about 29 and a half. And now for the actual amount of seat that you get, you can be up to, it's kind of hard to tell, but I think it's like 21 and a half inches. And what I am noticing is that it's very cushiony in here. So what I want to do is just place this in the corner. So I currently have this swivel chair over here. So I'm just going to move it out of the way and place it in there to see if it's worth keeping here or put somewhere else. All right, so here it is, and this definitely takes up a lot of space, and I can just sink in to the bottom. So it's got like these kind of rivet edges all around, and I don't really feel it when I sit, but this is gonna be very squishy. And as far as comfort goes, this feels like firm on the backside, so I feel like I'm supported. And if I pull it forward, yeah, I just lean back. So on the seat side, it's definitely comfier than the back side, and I think that's because I'm just constantly leaning back. And I can also sit crisscross applesauce like so. So I brought my desk chair back in, and although I do have some space, this beanbag chair definitely takes up a lot more space than I anticipated. So I think I'm actually gonna put it somewhere else instead of this room. All right, so I found the perfect spot, and that's gonna be in this other bedroom. And this is a lot more space, and we were able to fit it comfortably over there. Unfortunately, I had to move this chair that was in that corner to put this here, but I think we're just gonna put that in the basement instead, because this honestly looks a lot nicer for this room. And even Tiger's liking it too. So maybe now he'll come upstairs to take a nap here instead of downstairs where his cat tree is. But yeah, so overall, I'm pretty happy with this beanbag chair. It adds a nice aesthetic to this room, and I think my brother's gonna like it because this is my brother's room after all. But yeah, if you're looking for a beanbag chair, and if you have a cat, he'll probably sleep on it too, then yeah, definitely check this one out. Test, test.